Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your birthday on TikTok apps. So if you are already signed in on TikTok but you want to change the information of yourself, specifically of your date of birth, here's how you're going to do that. After you open the TikTok apps, you can just go to your profile and then click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, and go to the settings and privacy. And in here, tap on account, then go to the account informations. Okay, and in here there will be this date of birth option. Tap on that to change it. Here you can change it freely. For example, I'm going to change it into only the date like this, and after that you can click on confirm. Okay, so TikTok will confirm you again, are you 30 years old? And if this isn't correct, you may not get the right TikTok experience, so you may not be able to change it right away. So you can just click on confirm after that and click on done. So that's how you can change your birthday on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.